Hey, good morning, everybody. Now, hopefully, everybody is having a great time. This is YASHViR, okay, YASHViR Gaming from YASHViRGaming.com, and welcome back, guys, to my channel. So, if you're new to my channel, guys, I would like you to kill mode and smash the subscribe button right about now, and also do not forget to ring that bell notification, because whenever I drop a brand new video, you will get notified. Okay, so without any further ado, guys, today I'm going to show you how you can use someone else's videos on YouTube and put that video onto your own channel. Okay, so let's say you wanna if you want to add this video, okay, this is from a different channel, and if you want to add it into your uploads or in here, okay, in this section down below, or if you can add it like here, okay, when you do customize channel, okay, when you customize your channel, as you can see, for returning subscribers and for new visitors, and all right, so you can preview that kind of videos. Okay, so first what you're gonna do here, you're gonna find the video that you would like to add. Okay, so and then all you gotta do is to click this saved, and here all you gotta do is to create a new playlist, and you're gonna give this playlist a name. Okay, and the privacy, make sure that the privacy is public. Select OK, create, and it's gonna add to. Okay, now you're gonna close this video, and you're gonna browse to your channel right here, and you're gonna click on customize channel. Okay, once you click on customize channel, guys, you're gonna click this add section, and from here you're gonna select the content, and you're gonna select single playlist. Okay, and here it's gonna prompt you to choose a playlist. Okay, so you're gonna select playlist, you're gonna my playlist, and you're gonna find playlist. Okay, so we have just created this one, how to shop. Okay, how to shop. So I'm gonna select this playlist, and I'm gonna hit done. Okay, and as you can see, I can now move it up like this, and if I want to make it vertical, I can also make this as vertical. Okay, so vertical, it looks really good in vertical like this. Okay, so if I want to add another, okay, I can add others as well. So again, guys, this was really easy, and yeah, so if this video was helpful, if you've just done it, guys, I would love to know how it goes for you, and yeah, thanks for watching, guys. Please subscribe, do not forget that to hit that subscribe button, and also give this video a thumbs up. And guys, if you have any questions about anything about YouTube, how to grow your YouTube business, and how to gain subscribers every day, and a lot of YouTube other tricks, okay, a lot of YouTube tricks and workarounds, fixes, okay, just leave me a comment down below, and I'll do my best to help you guys. Peace out. This is YASHViR Gaming, and I'm signing out. Peace.